Hi guys, welcome back to Kaboom. Today's experiment, we're going to make a bouncy egg. For today's experiment, we're going to leave vinegar, raw egg, empty container. Step 1, you put your egg into your container. Remember, be careful, you don't want to break your egg. Next step, you put your vinegar in your container. Put a lid on our container and wait 24 hours and let the magic happen. Look at your egg after 24 hours. If it's transparent, then it's ready to come out. If it's not transparent, then just leave it for a little bit longer. Mine is transparent, so it's ready to come out. This is my egg from after 24 hours. Look how bouncy it is. Prove this is the egg and I'll drop it from too high. And the skin is really stretchy. You know that? Mine isn't. I want to dodge it. I have no white vinegar now. Yeah. Thanks for watching my bouncy egg video. Don't forget, give it a like. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe.